rival crime lord's brother has just bought a house in the south of the city. We've decided to kidnap him. His house is heavily guarded, but we think it should be possible for you to slip in unnoticed, although you can go in order blazing if you like.
Move and I'll blow your head clean off.
Okay, I'll come quietly.
Great! Now, take him to the helicopter on the roof. Now, wait for the kidnappee to get on board. Okay, now, fly him to our helipad in the northeast. Okay, now get up.
Bring him to us.
Ah, job well done. Here's your payment. Now, get out of here. Get your ass down to the phones for more missions. It seems that the residents of a local apartment block have decided not to pay their protection money. The boss wants to send a message to anyone else thinking of not paying up. I smashed a remote-triggered bomb down the nearby alleyway. Go and pick it up. Okay, now, put it down next to the apartment block. Great! Now, get out of there and float sky high. Ah, excellent. Here's your cash. Get your ass down to the phones for more missions. A weasel who fancies himself as a drug lord has got a shipment hidden in a bus due east of the hotel. Make sure that we remain the only supplier. If you need it, there's a bazooka hidden in the alleyway near to this phone. Remember that the petrol tank is at the back of the bus. Just to make things interesting, I only got 75 seconds to do it. Think of it as a little test. As we say in German, gut gemacht. Here's your money, but keep an eye out for the top. Go to the payphones for more missions. The rival crime lord has given in to our ransom demands. We've hidden his brother in the boot of a blue Mondino parked in the southeast of the city. Go and pick it up. Okay, now drive to the car park in the south of the city and make the train. Get out here! Okay, wait for them to put the briefcase down. Okay, now